Ahmadana, Jesus Christ the Ninga Nupam, the Sagonango Bumpamba, white stella, Namasi, it will be applicable to your life. Kandavaga. Mana Sagon Japaman and Jesus and Ninga Jesus Laga, Hoi Fangzerona, board with the Sagonango, Pazabam to Levago. Told up with the man Sagon in Nan, and Army Jesus Nang instruction to Sunda Tadreva Mana. Sigi Sagon Zer, O Christ, Haikan the Tiengani, Amen, Haikan the Lepkani. Nang Pangzaron Pyramid. As I know, I understand. Thank you. I mean, I talk the mana. This is Zakreba Manchon, Togan, and I Hazer and a man, Sagon Hona, but taking it to season at Toda, Sagon Sungtaloya, Trebakanova. Human can collect the mana. Oh Christ, what have you given me, Sinevamana? And oh Christ, but I'm Sagon together. The man told away and the man said, I took on the looked up to my lady, looked to my tobudo. You don't tell the mana, Sagon Zelepan, the man upon the Lepoya, Trebaco. As mother, it's seriously conquered the man and Nunga Christian game, like the young religious Christ, Nanga in and say, Sagonam Tapanga, this series we are a Haidugi, Angmund Egg and Ningmatunga, Lamaga is a Siandora man, Eka had a man like Ramaga. Thank you, Lord, for fulfilling my desire. I Sagona, oh, Matozagi, come down to Ganbenta, Tagatseri, Shoribongo, Amen. I never like him, Louis and Mada. Sagonji, great long lepers I never go. Martin, as I looked at the tar and a mamit, we shall lay room never. Mangan doctor, in Tao the Fangak, Mammy Pangsorgan, the Masawonzi live there, remember. Human, when they talk a man, Smile, so they can't color the Samana, Jung Tabador, smiling, oh Christ, I would have died here, the Sagon, the Butlong song there. What is the moral of the story? What to speak and when to speak is very crucial in life. What to speak and when to speak. Sana Sivana Karyeva, Kongunda, Mina Sivana, Cinda. So, Aduga Samana, why I never quite the English, so let me say, what to speak and when to speak is very crucial in life. Number one lesson. Second story. Ningtam ing bata ingzal laktan uchi kama mase ing man na consciousness karka manga aba mase ko usada ge ing man na usada mase pop long tare ba ko degi ngasai gi ing budu ga ngasai lai mai de yai budu ga mana ge mase consciousness karka mang ba hor ko do mase si de bane na mase consciousness he manga ga mang gyan heng mang kan sida san namal aga mathi faijal lak pa monda bada faijal san mathi sa sai de na Fong side na Santi ma'am no kupsal no sagi ing by siram but mase warm way collector magi si hingle lak pudune mase ko sine kala ma hingam basida haraman gida mana santi manung da man I'm alive and amana pada kapten kotan lingak pa haraman gida ai hinge na manak ta hodong am chatle ram jane ma uchi am lai khang la thi dos mai na ko thoga uchi to chathu e. What is the moral of the story? Not everybody who sits on you is your enemy. Yaning bra. Not everybody who talks bad about you or criticize you is your enemy. Ngasai santi phajal me mo mati phajal ma yeng la bro. Yeng la de la madun hingala ine na. Similarly, not everybody who takes you out of the shit is your friend. Yaning bra. It's not your friend. Last but not the least, most important lesson. When you are in deep shit, keep your mouth shut. Understand how we go? This is something that you should learn. When you are in deep shit, keep your mouth shut. These are moral lessons. Be good to yourself. Be good to your fellow people. We'll have a new Manipur. I am on a journey for this. I nanda airport tholok pada punsigi han mane laipak ta suog ne chupaga khong theng ne kok nan thora sang pozani I missionam lai. I want to complete it as far as possible. And God bless you. Yareko.